Hey folks, welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best drones for beginners on the market. Without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and by the way, links to all the featured products are given in the description below. Up first is our pick for best overall, and that goes to the DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mavic Mini was an airborne game changer, giving strong battery life, convenient controls, and incredible footage, all in a small folding package. Almost identical to its ancestor, the DJI Mini 2 highlights a handful of upgrades that make it an even better amateur drone. Compact enough to slip in a jacket pocket, the second generation Mini is also even more comfortable to fly thanks to a renewed controller. The streamlined handset is advanced yet natural, allowing nuanced inputs without overwhelming the pilot. It's a pleasure to operate and, with a maximum range of 10 kilometers, enhances the complete flying experience. The hardware itself may be familiar, but improved motors, stabilization, and wind resistance present rock-steady footage in all but the breeziest conditions. At the same time, battery life remains solid, with a flight time of around 30 minutes. The Mini 2 can also be flown as high as 2.5 miles and face 19 to 24 mile/hour winds, all while maintaining a small, foldable design that weighs only 8.8 ounces. It's small and light enough to take with you practically anywhere. With so much available to shoot and record right out of the box, DJI guaranteed high-quality results with a 3-axis gimbal that supports up to 4K 30 video and 12-megapixel stills caught in JPEG or RAW for more comfortable editing. Next is our pick for best value, and that goes to the DJI Mavic Mini. It might have been succeeded by the DJI Mini 2, but the Mavic Mini will continue on sale, and it's still a fabulous beginner drone choice if you don't require the option of affording 4K video. Far from a toy, the Mavic Mini's rock-steady gimbal-mounted camera catches fantastic-looking 2.7K video footage and sharp 12-megapixel stills. It also owns 30 minutes of flight time per battery charge and a 4-kilometer range that's only beaten in this cost bracket by the Mini 2's 6-kilometer range. Weighing in at beneath 9 ounces, the Mavic Mini's weight class is both lower and more reliable than several other drones, which may spare it from certain regulations. This freedom of flight is linked with a stabilized 3-axis gimbal and advanced flight modes, which can gain up to 12-megapixel images, 2.7K Quad HD videos, and complex cinematic shots with just a touch in the DJI Fly app. Another benefit of the Mavic Mini's size is that it can stay in the air longer. The Mini drone stars up to 30 minutes of flight time on a full battery charge. The included controller is intended to work with select Android and iOS smartphones, letting you comfortably fly the drone while maintaining a low-latency HD video feed from the gimbal from up to 2.5 miles away. Up next is our pick for best budget, and that goes to the RiseTech Tello. Created in partnership with DJI, Rise's Tello is an affordable, small, and lightweight drone that's perfect for mastering the basics. Controllable through your smartphone, running the Tello app, and Wi-Fi, it's a responsive and lively flyer that'll guide you through the ups and downs of twin-stick quadcopter flying. It even highlights stability sensors to reduce drifting when it's supposed to be inactive, and the 13-minute battery life isn't bad at all. It can transmit 720p video or 5-megapixel photos back to your smartphone from up to 330 feet away using its dual antenna array. And its electronic image stabilization helps keep your photos and videos steady, while its coordinated flight moves let you capture short videos with circle, 360, and up and away styling for a professional touch. Moreover, it features a larger and more robust form factor and includes a micro USB cable. And its Intel processor enables it to perform exciting aerial tricks on a whim through smartphone control. Its fail-safe protection helps in safe landing even if you lose connection, and its downward-facing camera facilitates precise hovering. Up next is our pick for best advanced, and that goes to the Eachine E520S. Eachine's top-of-the-range design is the spitting image of the DJI Mavic Pro, but don't get it complicated with an advanced enthusiast model. This still seems quite toy-like, much more so than the Potensic Dreamer 4K. The build quality has a cheap and plasticky coating, while the flight range and camera abilities don't come close to matching even the DJI Mavic Mini. At 280 grams, you'll also have to register it with authorities. It comes with a flight time of around 16 minutes, which is pretty awesome for a drone that will cost a little more than $100. We know what you're thinking. How does such a small thing pack so much juice? Well, the solution lies within the battery. The drone is provided with a 1200 mAh modular battery, which is a newer and more effective version of lithium polymer batteries. This enables the battery to store the charge much longer than most drones in the same cost range. The camera gives 4K resolution pictures and 2K video clips. These don't profit from any form of stabilization, so videos are remarkably shaky, as well as being distorted due to the wide-angle lens. But compared to lower resolution cameras on most of the models here, the results are more accurate and clean. A micro SD slot also enables you to add local storage for videos and photos. Last on our list today is our pick for best compact, and that goes to the Simrex X300C. Low on decorations but big on value, this small foldable drone will comfortably fit in a coat pocket, and its included controller needs a similarly small amount of space. Notwithstanding its bargain basement pricing, it even comes with a 720p video camera for FPV flying. One of the greatest things about this drone is that it gives a 6-axis gyroscope for extra stability while recording videos. As for videos, you can utilize this mini drone for recording 720p HD videos with adequate quality. The body of the X300C is made of strong ABS plastic, which, according to the company, should be able to withstand or at least endure a light crash or collision. The motor arms are foldable to make the drone simple to store and carry. With its small size, it fits on the palm of your hand, so bringing this along for a hike or a shoot should not be a difficulty. If you're flying indoors or in a limited outdoor space, you'll require to keep a close eye on its wayward movements and correct them manually, lest the drone crashes into something. As a way to master the principles of quadcopter flight, it's useful, if not particularly relaxing.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.